In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Amazon Luna on your Fire TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if you don't have Luna installed, you want to go over to Find, then go down to the App Store, like so. Once you're here, you've got to basically just scroll down, and you can go ahead and find it in Featured or Games if you want, but I'm just going to search up Luna. So what you want to do is just type in L-U and then N-A, but it's going to come up here in searches anyway. So it's going to be looking like this. It says Luna Cloud Gaming for Amazon. So what you want to do is go ahead and install that if you haven't already. I already bought the Luna pack with my Fire Stick, which is why it's already installed. But once you install it, it's going to look something like this. And let's say you got the controller like I do. So I'll just show you as an example. You can also get the Amazon Luna controller, which looks like this, and you can use it with any of your games or anything like that. So if you have the Amazon Luna controller and you want to go ahead and connect it over to your Fire Stick, what you want to do is go to your settings, like so, go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, go to game controllers. Now I already have my Amazon one done. What you want to do is press add new game controller, and then what you want to do is hold down the middle button for like 5 seconds, wait till that's glowing, and then what you have to do is press your action button, hold it down, and then press B for about 3 seconds as well while you're holding that down. And then your controller should come up on the TV, and then you'll be able to connect it. But now I'm going to go back to Luna, and you're going to have a subscription for this because this is cloud streaming and stuff. So you can go to your settings and see if you have a subscription or not. And then once you find out that you do, you can literally download any of these games. So for example, if I wanted to go ahead and download Hogwarts Legacy, all I got to do is go ahead and click on it. I won't even have to download it because I can just play it now since it is a cloud streaming thing. All you gotta do is accept the terms and conditions, and now I'm able to play Hogwarts Legacy streamed, and it's very simple. So you can play it in really good graphics as well. Just bear in mind that your internet does have to be relatively good for you to run games like this and just even cloud stream in general, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.